Hi guys, you are watching an interesting channel called TechMates and I'm Umair. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 online sites which you can use to make online apps and upload it on Google Play Store so that you can earn a lot of money. So here I'm going to tell you what is the login process. First of all, the 3 sites are thunkable, makeroid and MIT App Inventor. So the procedure is really simple. You just need to log in and jump into the site. So first of all, if you will create click on the create app in the app inventor, you will get directed to this screen. Just log in using any of your ID, Gmail ID. I would suggest you to use your Gmail IDs, right? And this is the makeroid app builder. Also the session timeout request. Okay, the makeroid. So after logging in from makeroid, also make app, and you will get a notification. You will get a screen open where you have to enter your ID, Gmail ID. So yeah, this screen will open, and in thunkable also the process is same. You need to just log in with your Google. The option will be displayed on the home page. So friends, this is really simple. Just to save time, I have skipped the login process for few of them, and it's simple because you can see and you can understand from the user interface what you have to do and how you have to log in. So this is the interface in thunkable, makeroid and app inventor, which is almost the same. I'll skip the app inventor because it's almost the same in all 3 of them, and you can use thunkable, makeroid or app inventor, any one of them, for making your app. There are some advantages, pros and cons if we compare all the 3 platforms. In Thunkable X, one of the newly updated version of the site, it gives the user a cross platform working, which means that if you need to make one app and you can deploy it on every, what do you mean, every platform like iOS and App Store. I mean App Store and Play Store. So friends, this is the interface which you will get. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how we will start building our first app. So see you in the next one. Like this video, share this video and comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.